In August 2018, a prominent West Virginia mental health judge was stopped for driving a motorhome with an obscured license plate near Waynesboro, Virginia. According to the police report, a canine alerted on the driver's side, leading to multiple suspected narcotics and more than $900 in cash being seized. 5 months later, a state lab reported LSD, MDA, hash oil, psilocin, and marijuana. However, a local news recap of indictments that April noted methamphetamine. 5 months later, a court sentencing form indicates that the RV driver, Kirk H. Bottner, then 51, was convicted of 7 narcotics felonies, the most known of any attorney in either state history. It was Bottner's second drug-related plea agreement in Virginia since 2008, yet both cases were granted first-time offender deferral and dismissed after a year of probation with drug testing. Bottner's most recent bust occurred less than 5 years after a fellow public official in Jefferson County pled guilty to a single drug felony, which had prompted a stark warning from the U.S. Attorney's Office at the time, quote, "If someone who is sworn to uphold the law is instead breaking the law, then we must move swiftly to preserve the integrity of the criminal justice system." As a court-appointed judicial officer since 2002, Bottner was sworn by oath to uphold the law and avoid impropriety in personal conduct. More than 2 years after Bottner pled guilty to multiple drug felonies, West Virginia's highest court ordered the suspension of his law license, without citing cause. It was the court's second disciplinary action against Bottner, preceded by a reprimand in 2011 for a conflict of interest that allegedly deprived a mother of primary child custody for more than a year. In 2025, Judge David Hammer reappointed Bottner as Mental Hygiene Commissioner and personally signed his latest oath of office. It remains unclear if any news outlet in the Eastern Panhandle has ever reported on Bottner's many repeated oath-breaking violations.